Yeah, we're gonna have to wait a little longer. There's still drops of alcohol on it. All right, it's been about 2 minutes, and so there's still tiny drops of alcohol, but the loop looks dry. So we can get started. So you'll want to hold your loop with your index finger and your thumb, and then grab your skin sample broth and undo the lid with your pinky, and then we'll run the opening over the flame a few times, and then we will directly go down and try not to touch the edges and collect a sample. And I'm gonna collect it from lower in the tube and then close up our tube, and then we will transfer from our loop to the dime size spot on our slide. In a circular pattern, and you'll see that there's liquid on my slide. And so now we'll just allow that to air dry. We'll blow out our candle because it does take a little while. And then we'll put our loop into the waste. And so I'll be back once my skin sample slide has fully dried. All right, so my skin sample slide is fully dry. And so now I'm ready to heat fix it. So I'll relight my candle. And we'll want to grab our slide with the test tube tongs. Make sure it's not sliding around. And then you'll just want to run it through the flame 5 times. So just move it slowly through the flame, but constantly moving. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna wipe off that I don't know what that is. It's like smoke that collects. And I'll just allow that to cool. And then we can blow out our candle again. So now we're at step 13. Place a slide sample side up in the staining tray. See figure 21. So we've already let our S cerevisiae dry or cool. So we'll start with that one. So we'll put it in the slide tray. Now we're at step 14. Add 1 to 2 drops of crystal violet and then wait 60 seconds. So just get all of these out. And so you'll grab your crystal violet and do 1 to 2 drops. 1, 2, and then we'll wait 60 seconds. All right, it's been 60 seconds. So now we'll gently rinse the slide with tap water. So, well, I'm using distilled water, but it shouldn't make a difference. So we'll just rinse until the slide runs clear. Oh no. So I'm just going to use another disposable cup to pour this out. So I'll just rinse it one more time. Well, I'll rinse it into here. All right, so now we are at step 15. Pour the contents of the straining tray down the middle of a drain and return the slide to the tray. So I'm just going to keep adding to this, but if you don't have extra cups, you could just dump this down the sink each time. So now we are at step 16. Add 2 to 3 drops of PVP iodine, which is Gramstein 2. So this. And then wait 60 seconds. So 1, 2. Well, I'll add one more. So it's 2 to 3. All right, it's been 60 seconds, so now we'll rinse our slide again. Until it runs clear. And then I'm just gonna dump this into my cup and put my slide back in the tray. And so now we are at step 17. We'll be add 2 to 3 drops of Decolorizer, which is Gramstein 3, and then wait 30 seconds, and then afterwards rinse the slide. So this is the Decolorizer. So we'll add 2 to 3 drops. So 1, 2, 3. And we'll wait 30 seconds. All right, it's been 30 seconds. So now we'll rinse our slide again. And then we'll dump this into our little waste cup and put our slide back in the tray. And so now we're at step 18. Add 2 to 3 drops of Safranin, which is Gramstein number 4. Wait 30 seconds and then rinse the slide. So we'll be using the Safranin. So I'll do 3 drops. So 1, 2, 3. And then we'll wait 30 seconds. All right, it's been 30 seconds. So now we'll rinse our slide again. Then I'll dump this into my little waste. All right, so now we're at step 19. It says, place the slide on paper towels to allow it to fully dry.